Sang Silby Group census here with a quick update on the Thailand-Cambodia conflict. This is Sakeo. The Royal Thai Army's 2nd Artillery Battalion is firing M19 8 155mm howitzers from Sakeo at Cambodian military positions in Ormianche. Since dawn, the Cambodian military has non-stop shelled Buriram, Serene, Sisaket, and Obon Ratchathani provinces on the Thai border. Active clashes have occurred at 12 key points over 2 weeks. This is Ormanchi. Cambodian relief trucks are delivering food aid, and villagers are following them to receive food. This is Ormianche. There is a crime zone in Cambodia. Recently, due to a large-scale airstrike by the Thai military, the crime zone was completely burned down. Although casualties have not yet been confirmed, it has been verified that the buildings themselves were destroyed. This is the Poipet area. Cambodians are seen evacuating from Poipet, which is right in front of Thailand. This is the Huruza area. Thai Marines heavily shelled a building known to house Cambodian troops. The Cambodian military shot down a Thai drone in Surin province and released a video. In Tratu, shelling by Cambodian forces damaged roads, including at Tratu station. The Thai Navy is attacking a casino held by Cambodian troops using artillery. At Phunam Dongrak Hospital in Thailand, the Cambodian military shelled the hospital. Surgeries resumed, and luckily no patients died. Here are the Thai troops. The Thai military is firing at Cambodian positions using FM mitrailleurs d'appui general machine guns. Reinforcement units of the Thai military are also arriving one after another. Thai armored vehicle units are heading toward the border area. Also, a large number of trucks are on the move. This is the movement of the Thai military. At night, the Thai military is advancing en masse into Cambodia. The Thai military is attacking Cambodian positions using drones. They are attacking the Cambodian troops with drones carrying mortar shells. Here are the Cambodian troops. The Cambodian military posted a video showing them transporting BM-21 rocket launchers to the front lines. This is a Cambodian training camp. These new recruits just joined the military. After 2 more weeks of training, they'll be sent to the front lines. Thai soldiers are shown killing Cambodian soldiers and taking their patches. A Thai soldier posted this photo as today's achievement. The confirmed patches total 10, indicating 10 Cambodian soldiers killed. They also secured 2 radios. The Thai military spokesperson said the army is ready to respond to Cambodia's long-range rocket attacks and reassured the public. Major General Wantai Sabari responded Wednesday evening to reports that PHL-03 long-range rocket artillery was deployed in Hanphong Tuju, Cambodia, a deployment briefly mentioned that morning on the Thai Army headquarters Facebook page. Major General Wintai said Cambodia has never used long-range rockets, and if they launched the Chinese PHL-03, Thailand's air defense would intercept it. Cambodia accuses the Thai army of a chemical gas attack, but the Thai army denies using toxic gas and calls the claim baseless and unproven. Currently, 500,000 Cambodian and Thai refugees are sheltering in temples, schools, and other safe locations. Currently, Cambodia has arrested 75 Thai nationals staying in Cambodia on charges of fraud. Pope Leo XIV on Wednesday called for an immediate halt to the armed clashes at the Thai-Cambodian border, which have resulted in casualties including civilians and forced thousands to flee their homes. President Donald Trump said he'd call to help stop reported border clashes between Thailand and Cambodia. I'll update with more news and videos. Thank you.